Hi everyone, so I thought I'd do a quick walk around our car park to show you what we've got going on at the moment here. So this first car, this is a GR Yaris obviously, just come in for a set of Kelford cams and valve springs, and the customer's taking it away to get it mapped somewhere else. Should be making about 350 horsepower once it's mapped, what I normally make with the mods that's on it. And then we've got this lovely, pretty much brand new Gen 2 Yaris we've just imported from Japan. 2024 car, about 1,000 miles on it. It's already sold, this one. It's a manual, pearl white. We import a lot of these now, so if you want one for yourself, you can save quite a bit of money over the UK prices. And they've got a better spec than the UK cars. They've got reverse sensors, heated seats, heated steering wheel, all the standard when UK cars haven't. Let's move on to over here. So we've got a M3 we've been working on, doing a few bits on it. So some new turbos, some hybrid turbos. And then back here we've got another import car, Nissan Fairlady Z, 2024 car. This is for sale as well. Lovely looking cars these. About 400 horsepower, V6 twin turbo. And over here we've got a lovely Mark IV Supra. And this is in for a single turbo conversion. As you can see, it's already got a few bits on it. Volt racing wheels, wheel side skirts, Duloc bumper. And it's already running a Link ECU, so we're going to fit one of our Whifbitz single turbo kits with a Turbo Smart 6466 turbo. So it should be kicking out about 700 horsepower once it's finished. Just in front of it here, we've got GR Corolla that we've imported, which is sold. We've just done a load of work to it. Running about 360 horsepower now. Another one really nice mod that's transformed it is the set of eye-back lowering springs. Makes it look a lot meaner, and some eye-back 20mm spacers as well. Looks really nice. We've got another couple of these coming. We've got a grey one coming and a black one coming as well. So if you want to be a bit different, there's only about 10 of these in the country as far as we know. And it's basically a GR Yaris with 4 doors. Really nice looking car. Another GR Yaris here. We've just finished off. So this one's running 360 horsepower. We've just fitted some cams, Kelford 2678 cams and valve springs, and a Midland hybrid turbo. So you're still running the cat on it as well, the standard cat. So it'll pass an MOT, no problem at all. Yeah, 360 horsepower it made yesterday. So it's also got intercooler, one of our exhausts as well. So if we took the cat off, we fitted a sports cat, it'd probably bump it up to about 380 horsepower. Should be a bit of a rocket ship, that one now. Got another Mark IV Supra in for some work. It's just dropped off the other day. It's been sitting for 7 years, this car. So it's going to need a lot of work. Needs a lot of work doing underneath. It's corroded. And then we're going to be fitting a ZF 8-speed gearbox to it. And one of our turbo conversions as well. This is a non-turbo automatic aero top as well, aero top roof, quite a rare car these days. And that's about it. We've got my own personal car, which is a BMW M4 G80, running 800 horsepower. We've just bolt on mods, just one of our exhaust downpipes, and an E30 map on it using boot mode. E30 fuel, so 30% ethanol. Absolute rocket ship this thing is. 4-wheel drive as well, so loads of traction. I'll take you inside so you can see what's going on in here as well. So start with the GR Yaris. This one's another import we just imported. A Gen 2 automatic. It's just arrived, literally just arrived from the docks. Again, it's like a brand new car, this one. and it's available for sale as well still. You see it's an auto, so it's 8-speed automatic. Again, they've got a better spec than UK cars. It's got heated seats, heated steering wheel, and reverse sensors as well. Look really nice in this grey, which only come on the Gen 2 cars. The Gen 1 cars didn't have the grey. Got another one here, another Yaris. This one's having a forged engine. It's had an engine failure with the bottom end going on it. The crank bearings were knackered on it. It was knocking really badly. Not exactly sure why. It's it's only had it a few months, so it could have been just run low on oil or had oil starvation maybe, because it didn't have a baffled sump. So this has had one of our forged engines, Nito pistons and rods, closed deck block, Kelford cams and valve springs, Artec turbo as well. So this should be kicking out about 400 horsepower roughly when it's finished. And over here we've got Nissan 200SX S14A. So this is having a ZF 8-speed conversion at the moment. It's got quite a few mods under the bonnet. Garrett turbo, cams, head gasket. We've got inside the car still being worked on, so it's not finished yet, but we've got a Haltech dash as well, digital dash. Should be a real nice car when it's done. Another Mark IV Supra we're just finishing off. It's been a long-term customer of ours. Nice set of BC forged wheels on this one. 11.5 inch wide on the back. So this has had a 3.4 litre, let's pop on it, 3.4 litre stroker engine with a turbo smart, I think it's a 64, 66 turbo on this one. So it should be kicking out about 750, 800 horsepower, and really should be really responsive as well, being the 3.4 stroker engine, VVTi head as well. Set of our billet cam covers on that, and one of our intake manifolds as well, driver wire. Quite a few of our bits on it as well. One of our black aluminium radiators, polished radiator brackets, carbon rad shroud, Whifbitz top hose, carbon front engine cover as well. It's got one of our turbo kits. Manifolds all been thermometed for better cooling. One of our catch tanks as well, with AN12 fittings. Should be a real nice car, this one, when it's finished. It's got ZF conversion done on it already. We did that a couple of years ago. Yeah, nice. And another Yaris, waiting for an engine. This one's in for one of our forged engines as well. Another one with Artec turbo going on it. So the Artec turbos, it's the Artec Sport 400 turbo, which has got the Garrett G25 550 internals in it. So real nice bolt-on turbo. Really responsive still. This should be a nice car too. There's a couple other cars here undercover. It's my black Mark IV Supra. It's just a bare shell at the moment. Just need to find some time to build it back up. It's all been freshly painted, inside out, underneath. And we've got another one over here, which is another one of my own cars under the cover. It's a Ferrari 355 GTS. That's the Targa roof, manual as well. And another Mark IV Supra, which is our fashion grey one. We built ZF 8-speed, 800 horsepower. I'll just pop the bonnet for you if you like. Just need to take the cover off quickly. Let's have a look, show you under here. It's really, really nice under here. Look at that. So again, this is a 3.4 litre stroker engine with a VVTi head, 6466 turbo, smart turbo. Makes 760 horsepower this car on pump fuel. ZF 8-speed. It's got all our bits on this car. Carbon fibre cooling plate, carbon fibre rad shroud, Whifbitz black aluminium radiator, titanium rad pipe, titanium turbo intake pipe. It's all been the manifold's all been thermometed as well, so it keeps all the heat in nicely. And then we got one of our Whifbitz intake manifolds as well. Carbon fuse box lid. So this was a full ground up restoration job. Every single nut and bolt changing it. Got a set of our AP brakes on here as well. Advan GT wheels. We'll do a full video on this soon when we get them out. So that's it. So if you want your car tuned, serviced or restored, give us a shout.